Cybertruck. You know, remember when Cybertruck first got announced, people started asking about the color? Wait a sec, can we get different colors? What if I want what if I want a black Cybertruck? What if I want a pink Cybertruck? Many people asked about a white Cybertruck. Well, Elon said, look, we're not going to be able to paint the thing, or we're not going to paint the thing. I don't know what would be involved in painting the thing if it would compromise it in some way. But he said, if you want a different color, you may have to wrap it, right? But of course, most people aren't going to be going for a wrap. It's typically an aftermarket thing. Right. It would be weird to order a car with a wrap on it. I don't know why that seems weird to me. I guess you could do it. I mean, it's doable. But there's apparently a much cooler option or a hotter option, depending on the way you look at it. You can heat the steel of the Cybertruck to different temperatures in order to change the color characteristics.
Is that called anodizing?
No, that's different.
Oh.
That's some sort of a bond. That's where the particles actually bond to the material.
Okay.
And there's a whole process for that, anodization. That's a tough one too. But this is actually heat. And Elon's just been on Twitter talking about it a little bit. He hasn't confirmed that they're going to offer this as an option. In fact, they likely won't unless there's some insane demand for it, because I can imagine this to be very labor intensive. But if you scroll down just a little bit here, it's really interesting. A little bit more. That's a white one that he said not impossible. Right there. This is the best image. And we're on Electrek, by the way. Tempering colors of steel. And here you can see how at different temperatures you get a much different appearance of steel. And there's some unexpected shades in there as well. It doesn't start to look charred or black until 388 degrees Celsius. But before that, it goes purple, blue. The copper one's kind of cool. Copper color at around 260 degrees Celsius. It's like kind of like a rusty copper look, which could be cool. Again, I don't know if any of this is possible. I don't know what happens to the strength attributes of the steel once being heated to these temperatures, but you can see on the far left, you have your normalized color there. You know what's going to happen. Even if Tesla doesn't do it, some maniac's going to remove these panels and be the first one to temper his Cybertruck. I don't know. Maybe that weirdo will be me, Will.